Replacing your Honda Pilot key fob battery and now it's not working? The most common reason is desynchronization. The key fob operates on a radio frequency to communicate with your car's computer. After a battery change, the system might lose the fob's unique code. The quickest fix is a resync. Here's how. Insert the key into the ignition. Turn it to the on position without starting the engine, then back to off. Repeat this cycle 10 times within 15 seconds. After the 10th cycle, press the lock button on your key fob. This process reprograms the car to recognize your key. This should fix most post-battery replacement issues. Remember to use a CR2032 lithium battery and install it correctly to avoid shorts. If resyncing doesn't work, the problem may be a faulty key fob antenna inside the car. The antenna receives the signal from your key fob. Check for damage or obstructions. If damaged, antenna replacement at a dealership can cost $200 to $500. If you are still having issues, it could be a BCM fault or water ingress requiring diagnostic scans. These issues require diagnostic scans using OBD2 tools. If you have a newer Pilot from 2019-2024, ensure you have the latest software update. Honda issued this update to fix synchronization glitches. If issues persist, a Honda dealership can professionally reprogram the key fob.